The rise of populism and nationalism. A historical perspective. Imagine a world where anger and fear fuel political movements, where the common people are pitted against elites, and where national identity is weaponized against outsiders. Sounds familiar? This isn't just the news cycle today. It's a recurring theme throughout history. This video explores the rise of populism and nationalism, examining key figures, movements, and events that shaped these ideologies. Part 1. The roots of populism. Define populism. A political ideology that champions the common people against the elites. Emphasizes the purity of the people versus the corruption of the establishment. Often characterized by simple solutions to complex problems and appeals to emotion over reason. Historical examples. Ancient Rome. The rise of populist leaders like Tiberius Gracchus who championed the rights of the plebeians. 19th century Europe. The rise of social movements like Chartism in Britain, demanding political and economic rights for the working class. 20th century Latin America. The emergence of populist leaders, like Juan Perón in Argentina, promising social and economic reforms for the masses. Expert interview. Dr. Jane Doe, historian specializing in ancient Rome. Populism, in its essence, is about the people versus the powerful. We see this dynamic play out in ancient Rome with figures like Tiberius Gracchus, who challenged the established order to advocate for the rights of the common people. Part 2. The evolution of nationalism. Define nationalism. An ideology that emphasizes the importance of a shared national identity, language, and culture. Can range from civic nationalism, based on shared citizenship, to ethnic nationalism based on shared ancestry. Historical examples. The French Revolution, the rise of French nationalism as a unifying force against the monarchy. 19th century German unification, the rise of German nationalism under Otto von Bismarck, leading to the creation of a unified German state. The rise of nation-states in the 20th century, the breakdown of empires and the emergence of numerous independent nation-states across the globe. Expert interview. Dr. John Smith, historian specializing in 19th century European history. Nationalism is a powerful force that can both unite and divide. In the 19th century, we witnessed the rise of nation-states across Europe, driven by a shared sense of national identity and a desire for self-determination. Part 3. Populism and nationalism intertwined. Exploring the overlap between these ideologies. Nationalist movements often have populist elements, appealing to the will of the people and demonizing external or internal enemies. Populist leaders often exploit nationalist